This is how to own a bungalow in Lekki Avana Phase 2. Step 1, contact the number on the screen. When you contact the number on the screen, what we'll do, we're going to send you the form. That's the first step. Then in the form, when you fill the form, the next step to do is for you to deposit 5 million naira. Then you have two options here. You can decide to do the normal payment plan, which is the 3-month outright, the 6-month, or the 12-month. Or you can decide to use the mortgage system which we have. The mortgage system, you need to top up the 5 million now, which you initially put to up to 20% of your equity. That is what you need. After that, your mortgage system can now proceed. You can decide to do the 5 years mortgage, or the 10 years mortgage, or the 15 years mortgage. Then, after that, when your house is fully built and ready, your key will be handed over to you. This simple step is the step you need to own either the 3-bedroom bungalow or the 4-bedroom bungalow in Lekki Avana Phase 2. The question you want to ask next is this: what are the different house sizes we have in Lekki Avana Phase 2? These are the prices. The 3-bedroom bungalow without swimming pool, this is the price. The 3-bedroom bungalow with swimming pool, this is the price. The 4-bedroom bungalow without swimming pool, this is the price. The 4-bedroom with swimming pool, this is the price. Any of these, you can use the mortgage system or the normal 12-month payment plan or the 6-month or the outright payment, or you can decide to use the mortgage system of the 5 years or the 10 years or the 15 years to own this bungalow. This estate is a good investment that you should not miss for anything. It can serve as a cash flow. It can serve as a place where you can reside as your country home. It can serve as a place, especially if you are in diaspora, as a place where you can come and hide your head and rest, then go back to Ghana also. This is a good investment that you should not miss for anything. My name is Dennis Sisson. This is how you can own a house, a bungalow in Lekki Avana Phase 2. I'll be waiting for your call. I'll be waiting for your WhatsApp message. Inbox us now. Let's make this happen for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this page so that I can get more updates on property that you can invest in Lagos, Nigeria. I appreciate you. My name is Dennis Sisson.